Too many projects run for way too long and way over budget without clear strategies, and they should never have gotten off the ground in the first place. And many projects never get the funding they deserve. Enterprise architecture tools are supposed to help you with this. But often they take 12 months, multiple architects, and many, many thousands of dollars to get the information in, just to have something useful. But with Vertaxa, we make that minutes. I'm Christian. I'm the founder of Vertaxa. Let me show you what it can do. We've logged into Vertaxa for the first time. You're given a beautiful dashboard, but we want to populate this thing. We're just going to use the Omni Builder. Describe your business, do it in plain English, have a conversation with the AI, and watch it build out your landscape. I'm a new SaaS startup, business capabilities to start with. Not only did it give me some capabilities, it gave me a strategy and a goal. Let's build some more goals and a project to realize them. Here we go. Goals, grow ARR, maximize customer retention, a project, go to market, and onboarding enablement. All of this now is already populated. We've got a strategy that has 3 goals in it. See our goals. We can see a traceability graph. Here's got our strategy to goals to business capabilities. All of this in minutes. And if you want to bring your own AI key, we support OpenAI endpoints as well as Anthropic. Bring your own key. And it's all in your own AI. Let me load the full demo set so you can see how that populates on the dashboard. Here we've got the list of our applications, technologies, things at risk. We can check our alignment, projects advancing no goal, goals with no supporting project. Let's talk about risk. We know technologies go out of support all the time, but we don't always know when that's going to happen. We've built in an API to endoflife.date that will sweep all of your technologies and pull back the end of life. And if it can't match it, AI will try to match it as well. Here we go. We've got a whole bunch of end of life. Let's check out the roadmap. And this will show us everything that's changing in the next 12 months. This Manhattan WMS is still in production, but the underlying technology has something going on. .NET Framework 4.8 is end of life. Now you know where to invest your projects. Whether it's BAU or stand up new projects, you have the complete picture here. Finally, your data is not just in the app. You can export it to Archimate, generate PowerPoint reports, import and export to Excel, and on every graph, you can export those to Draw.io, SVG, or PNG. Open them up in Draw.io, make them better in minutes rather than have to draw them all by hand. It's generated on the fly every time. This is Vertaxa. Smarter architecture, stronger outcomes in minutes, not months. The free trial is waiting for you. Sign up and map your landscape today and tell me what you think.